So my van's off the road for a couple of weeks. It goes into the garage later this week. I can't wait to get it all fixed. So we're going to use this time to get a few bits and bobs sorted on Pascal's van as well. And one of the things that we're going to fit today is a Wolfbox dash cam. It's a rear view mirror one, and you normally have to have a thing on there to attach it. It's got no back window, so obviously he's never had a rear view mirror. I never had a dash cam, so we're gonna pimp it right up.
Pimp it right up. We know it's got to go here. The wires are gonna probably come along in there, through there and out the back for the camera at the back, and then some power. Should we do it?
Let's get it done. So we've come down to one of my favourite park ups down in Devon to do the installation.
So I reckon that looks out the front, and then there's a little camera that will go at the back. So you need to run the wires to the back.
You look after that, good, Sia.
So I've bought this nifty little mirror, so I'm hoping that'll stay up, and then I'll attach that to this. What are we saying? There?
Yeah, do it.
Yeah! Hopefully this is strong enough.
Well, we'll soon find out.
Right, there she is. Like so.
How does it just clips on?
Just clips on with these rubber things.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
And one there.
There we go, all done. Finished.
Done.
Oh, that feels solid. So these little rubber bits come on the Wolfbox?
Yeah.
Oh, so you could basically, if you had a rear view mirror, you would just attach it to that?
Camera that goes on the back. And then all this wire that needs to come to the front. Somehow.
Okay. Power.
Power, GPS and rear camera. Just stick your power in.
This one?
Yep.
Oh, I want to go that way, don't I? So that's... We've got power ready. English, yeah. Where are we? Back on there. London.
The rear camera takes 8 seconds to boot up. Plug it in.
It's currently not connected. Did you say rear there? I haven't got my glasses on, so I can't read. Rear camera connecting.
Where is it? Hello!
You're upside down.
Is that the way it goes?
Yeah. 4K and 2.5K by the looks of it. Why is that green? There's something on the camera.
Oh,
Ta-da!
Oh,
Now there isn't.
Nice! Look at that. Oh yeah.
4K and 2.5K. Super night vision. Voice control.
Really?
Wi-Fi, GPS.
I don't know whether or not I'm able to kind of flip the image so it doesn't have to be that way round, so I can mount it on top. I'd rather mount it here.
On top of the van, on the outside?
Yeah. Or will I have to mount it down the bottom?
Well, do you want to hold it in the places and I can have a look and see if it's useful positions for the camera? I know, see, someone's got to think round it. Is that on the floor?
That's on the number plate.
Yeah, well that looks like it's going to... Put it on the top where you're suggesting. I think that's not going to work. You're going to be filming the sky. Is that the top?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want it down lower than that, don't you? So you can see what's right behind you. You can see your nose. It's really big. Yeah, because then you can see how close you are to bollards and things as well. Where's that? Oh, is that where you're going to put it?
Just find a way of threading it through the door.
Pudding, where have you been? Why are you covered in grease?
So this is where it's gonna get stuck down. This can go through one of these holes. That should be alright.
Yeah.
That's the most cleaning that I'm gonna do on this van.
Ever.
Ever. Just there. Okay. Let's connect it up like so.
Fairly straightforward, I would say, so far.
Yeah, pretty simple.
So as usual, he doesn't have the right tools. So we've taken the decision, we have taken the decision to, rather than going through the rear view light, he's just going to put it inside the seal and take it up and around the top. And then at some point, obviously all this cladding and everything will have to come off for another reason, and he'll put it through properly then.
Thank you. Can you grab that and like pull it towards into the corner?
Yeah. Helping.
Shall we attach the camera to the back?
Okay.
Just a little 3M sticker.
So you're undoing the Phillips with a flathead now. I've got the strength in my fingers.
That looks alright there, doesn't
Yeah,
it?
looks good.
Look what the kit comes with. No mice. There we go. See if I can find my hand.
Can I help?
You can, yes. You filming?
Just so everyone knows, I helped on that bit, Fredin. He doesn't film me when I'm helping, see?
So that'll come here and pop down there. Amazing.
Nice. So plug in.
Yeah, you can do.
Check it works. Yay!
Amazing, that's working. Now we've just got to connect the GPS.
I'll set it all up for you.
Right, so this is a GPS unit and this should track our speed. And it just says pop it on the dash somewhere with that facing up.
Oh, it's got your miles per hour on here, look.
Yeah, nice. Take that sticker off. Right, so that should go somewhere there. Ooh, tech! Right. There we go. Perfect. So that's forward. That's both of them. And that's back.
Nice. So the next job is to hardwire it in so that it actually comes on with the ignition.
So this kit comes with these nifty little things, the little fuses. Find the fuse that has the adequate amperage on it and just plug this in, stick a fuse in the top, and then you've got a wire coming off it. Easy. Right, all plugged in. Let's see if it works. Oh yeah!
Right, we're off on a day trip to Totnes. But Pascal's been doing his homework on the old dash cam, the old Wolfbox. Show us your skills.
Look at this. Show front camera.
I don't know if...
Turn off recording.
No. It clearly captures license plates and scene details, even in low light.
I don't mean to flex on you, but I've got sun visor.
Where does the footage go?
So it goes into an SD card, but I can download it straight away to the phone by the app.
No.
Yeah, Wi-Fi. I think the best thing about this, for me anyway, is that I can actually see out the back now.
Yeah.
I didn't have a rearview mirror before.
And that's your speed. That's
Yeah.
so cool. I'm a bit jealous.